Hey everybody, Friday morning, 5th of April. Just want to review the trend segments that we had this week. On Monday, there was one, but it was in the quiet period. We had two back-to-back on Tuesday. After we had the down move, we had these two bullish segments coming in here back-to-back on the B2. So you can see we got two decent little upswings off of that. Going to Wednesday, as I scroll over, we had a nice segment here in the morning from 7 to 8:20 where we broke out of the range, the low of the range. The segment kicked in just beyond that. Got a nice little ABC move to the upside there. Timing signals were also good this week. A lot of good prime and scalp trades. Going to yesterday, we had this early morning segment in kind of a period where we were making a consolidation, a little bit of a triangle, but the overall segment was slightly positive. And then we had one that was kind of a failure, but it kind of worked half and half. We had this area here from 11:48 on the B2 again where we went bright green. That was supposed to go to here till we got to that big white window B1 over B2. That was to go to 15:04. That was going to be a double move pattern. We got the first move up to the high of day in the window, in the B1 window, and then what happened, when we hit that window, we made the high of day there in the bright green on the B3, and then we were getting pulled down to the white window here on the B2, the white window area there. So we had the move up, the move down, but we never got a move back up of significance. So we should have had a better move but to the upside, but we were overruled by the big white window, and we didn't get that little upward move till later. So overall, that would be considered a failure, but if you know how to read the timing windows, you could see that that was a potential to happen. Moving into Friday for today, we've got one strong double move bearish window here on the B2. We're also getting support on that from B3, which is also bearish, and C1 is neutral. So that is going to be the dominating factor there, would be B2, B3, and you can see on B1 and A6 we've got bearish support at the start of that window. That window is going to run from about 8:25 to 11:50 in the morning. That should be a double move. It should be a push down, a move back up, and then another push down. Inside of that time frame, we've got a key time overlap, A1 over A2 white over green, A3 over A4 white over green. So that's the most likely area for a reversal on one of those waves. So that's what we're looking at for the trend segments for the week. All of them good so far except for the one failure.